Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is JW, here with your daily dose of cryptocurrency news and... Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is JW, and I'm here to bring you daily cryptocurrency news and analysis. Today we'll be discussing Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of cryptocurrency in finance. With that said, I hope everyone is having a beautiful day or night, wherever you are in the world. Recently, Brad Garlinghouse posted that Bitcoin ETF volumes have been rising, indicating that we're due for a halving, and the broader crypto market is following Bitcoin's lead. As has historically happened, someone who has witnessed multiple cryptocurrency cycles is back. This bullishness goes hand in hand with real-world utility, which is the real and inevitable march of progress. What's funny about this is that Brad Garlinghouse, who has been involved in this space since its inception, is also the one speaking. He knows that, in the end, we will go through a process similar to the dot-com bubble, where there was a lot of hype surrounding garbage projects and, well, companies, and then guess what happened? The regulatory wipe. When we consider that, we're headed down the same exact path as the dot-com bubble, with the exception that crypto companies like Ripple are driving this forward. This is also where XRP comes into play, Harbar comes into play, QT Casper, you name it. I do believe that this is sort of the same exact discussion that almost everyone has had when it comes to some of these projects where the real value lies in the utility, but everyone's like, oh well, if it has so much utility, if it's so bullish, why is the price stagnant? Well, things are beginning to wake up a little bit more around utility, but we're still in a bull market driven by Bitcoin, not by utility. Brad even says that we're following Bitcoin's lead at the moment, but that will change eventually, we just don't know when. Nevertheless, Kraken Exchange is also reacting to this post, and Brad Garlinghouse actually liked it, saying that things could get interesting, very interesting post. But beyond that, when we look at XRP guys, we just witnessed a fairly significant move on XRP. Now, some people will argue, oh, it's not that big. It's not that big, however, this move is significant, because we managed to hold on to the 5,865 cent level, which I warned everyone was crucial to maintain. If we break through, things could quickly turn bearish, and we could see a retest of 55 cents or even lower to about 52. We managed to hold on to this level, and we managed to push above the weekly trend line, a move that has been ongoing since July 2023, when we received the XRP is not a security announcement. As a result, we are now up 20.45% on this candle alone to the top. We are looking for this moment to be a big break above it, and it will be a significant candle as well, just like we see on this candle here. This would be roughly a 20% plus move on its own. If we do break over 92 cents, because this is macro resistance, we will essentially have a retest of the 2021 highs, and this will put us on the path to a new all-time high, but I believe that we are up about almost 30%. However, you can see how we almost wicked my 75C target. This is the next area that we need to watch for a significant breakout. Have been discussing this for a while, and in a post I made about it, I stated that I genuinely think XRP is going to move violently. The main point I have been making in my recent videos is that I think XRP will make up for the 2021 lost opportunity. Remember, we still hit nearly $2 after being delisted from all major exchanges while a lawsuit was pending, and the sentiment surrounding cryptocurrencies was at its worst. Personally, I'm looking for $5 to $10, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see higher. Remember to take profits, pay yourself, and yes, you should be paying yourself 100% during this bull market. This time around, I really do think that things are going to get tough because, as we all know, regulations are coming. We don't know what will happen to the market. We could effectively be in a bear market for 2, 3, 4, or 5 months. It might be the longest bear market in the history of cryptocurrency, so you need to make sure that you're paying yourself during this cycle. You should also make sure that you're making profits. Selling the entire bag doesn't mean you have to keep a moon bag. I know I always say that. But regardless, when it comes to XRP, guys, the fun really is going to start once utility does matter, and I do think that we're getting close. So, but why is XRP moving in this manner? Is it only because we're squeezing in between that trend line and the bottom trend line in this wedge? No, that isn't the case. Keep in mind what I said in that video. Dominance of XRP, the dominance chart of XRP, I thought we would kind of range down here for a while, but I also said we could take a break at any time. We have begun to break out a little bit, and we are attempting to peak beyond this first level, which we need to flip, because if we flip this level, this will escalate further. The area that follows is up here at around 1.72%, and we really search for
on the XRP dominance chart. That will also put the USD pair on a path to 92% or 92 plus cents. That's where things get very, very fun for XRP. Now, the last chart that I've been eyeing, and big shout out to Crypto Insight UK, people asking me for an update on XRP, 68 cents incoming. Again, we already moved higher. As I keep saying, XRP Bitcoin is the most important chart to watch. We are still in the launchpad zone. And yes, even when we go back over here to the XRP Bitcoin price chart, you know, we're starting to find a little bit of a bottom, it seems, on this weekly candle here. The reason why I'm saying that is because if I move this up to this level that we kind of found a little bit of support on, guess what? That's the same level that we almost backtested in March of 2017 before things got very fun for XRP. We ran all the way up here to about roughly 6,300 plus sats. Then we backtested a little bit low. It sold off heavy, but then we started to move again in May of 2017. And that was the first surge on XRP before the 2017-2018 all-time high. Now, Crypto Insight UK is also giving us a little bit of an insight on his 5-wave call on the Bitcoin pair. Again, we don't know if this Elliott wave theory is going to play out or not, but it does look very, very interesting. And it could essentially put us on a path to making a new all-time high, which will be very fun if you are an XRP holder. But we have when Bitcoin slows, we need to watch for a push in this chart. I still expect something similar to the above when rotation begins. It historically has happened really quickly, as you can see. With the XRP Bitcoin weekly RSI at an all-time low, I have my eyes peeled for an explosive reversal. And I do think that we are about to get a major, major reversal on this chart. We need to be patient, right? We can't get too ahead of ourselves because, you know, we're still fighting resistance at 75 cents, but I do think that things are getting a little bit more exciting regarding XRP. And I do think that the big move is pretty close. I've been talking about it. Also, big shout out to JD. If you guys don't know, I do run the Wealth Network with JD and Tokenizer. He's been incredible in terms of TA that he drops in there every single day. We have XRP. I'm cutting back on the trolling and we'll start posting positive charts. Moon is around the corner. When ready, I'll take calculated profits with absolute zero emotions. Let's be the 5% who actually wins this time. And here we have once a candle close above trendline, moon time. And this is that trend line, but it's a little bit different than mine because this is the macro going all the way back to 2017, 2018. And you can see where we are at right now on this. We still need to push above that 92 cent threshold. Once we break that, guys, that's when things get very fun for XRP. And that's when everyone gets silenced. We've been hearing a lot about XRP not doing this, not doing that. Oh, XRP is never going to make a new all-time high. Guys, I get comments all the time. The reply guys around XRP, it's so funny. Oh, you've been saying this for a year. You've been saying this for 2 years. Oh, XRP is not going to do anything. It's going to sell off again. XRP back to this level. XRP back to that level. You know, all of these people that are constantly trolling around this space, majority of them, they don't even hold the asset. They don't even invest into the projects. They just like to troll the community. But regardless, it's just like HBAR. HBAR used to have so many haters on it, under 10 cents. Once we broke over 10 cents, we hit like 14 cents or so. All of a sudden, all the noise kind of faded out. That's how this space works. You have a lot of noise, a lot of hate, a lot of people saying, oh, it can't do this, it can't do that. And then all of a sudden, all at once, the price silences everyone. And it's not just JD, it's not just Crypto Insight UK, it's not just me, it's not just anyone in this community. Everyone is seeing the same exact thing in terms of XRP's time is here. Warning, XRP is exploding. Now, again, is this clickbait? Is it, yeah, it's technically engagement farming. But regardless, XRP is moving. Exactly as called, XRP has exploded to 73 cents, 27% move. A breakout above 73 cents will trigger a rally towards 91 cents and higher. Again, my levels are a little bit different. I'm more so looking for 75 cents. And then from 75 cents, I'm really kind of just looking for 92 cents. And again, I've outlined this multiple times on the channel. The levels are there. We nearly wicked it perfectly. I'm watching for a significant flip here. And just to give you guys a quick insight on why I'm looking for 75 cents, go back. Here's November of 2020, right? We peaked above this. This is also why I say the SEC lawsuit came at such an incredible time to really kind of cut things short for XRP. Look at this. We sold off in November. In December, we were holding 50 cents. The SEC lawsuit allowed us to break through that 50 cent support zone, and we wicked all the way down to 17 cents almost. It halted the bull run for XRP until roughly March. We still had to regain momentum here. But as you guys do see, we tapped 75 cents. 75 cents was tapped yet again. We came back down. We retested roughly 41 cents or so. And then the big bull run for XRP started yet again. But we were only able to hit $2. But like I said, sentiment around XRP, everything about XRP, it was terrible. Delisted off of major exchanges, but also remember, right? This $2 tap also happened only because we had to rebuild back in terms of the momentum. The momentum was killed completely in December of 2020, while other altcoins are starting to break out heavy. This is why I say this time around, guys, things can get violent very fast in terms of price action. And I know that a lot of people think like the violent word is just like marketing or so, but it's not. Guys, these moves happen very fast. I outlined the move that happened pretty much in just one day off of the XRP is not a security call, which was 102% in terms of one candle. And if we go back to the daily, I could show you guys that happened in just one day. Look at this. This is roughly a 102% candle in just one day. The candle that we just saw today was roughly only a 27% move. Guys, a 100% move on XRP right now, if we moved off of the lows of 58 cents, would take us to $1 almost 17. Think about how crazy that is. Now, would I be surprised if we back test it 66 cents, like 66.5 cents? No, I wouldn't. In fact, I would look forward to this because this would be us building support on a resistance zone ranging sideways before we get the big break above 75 cents. Now, this is where we really look for a 100% plus candle move if we get it. But again, things can move very fast in the space. I always say that when things really wake up, it surprises a lot of people, especially those that are new to the space that haven't witnessed, previous bull cycles. But altcoins look ready. I've talked about it. Their Bitcoin pairs look basically bottomed out. They almost look dead. Most people think that they're dead. This downtrend on XRP in terms of the Bitcoin pair, when it really breaks out, because we're only seeing a small move here. When this really breaks out, it's going to go fast. And I've outlined this many times in the past when we have, when we've had a significant downtrend. I mean, this downtrend back here from 2017, 2018, all the way into like 2020, that was a very significant downtrend. But we looked ready to break out in November. But what ended up happening was momentum got killed. And I've talked about this 100 times. But regardless, like I said, XRP is ready. I hope that you guys are ready as well. With that being said, thanks for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.